Hello guys, welcome back with me and welcome to my channel. Before you watch this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe of course yeah. Today I will tell you the news of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. So the title is Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe developed a roadmap for adoption of CBDC, say Governor. The Governor of the Zimbabwean Central Bank, John Magodia, recently said his organization has developed a roadmap for adoption of CBDC, central bank digital currency, in Zimbabwe. Magodia also revealed that two fintech startups had been admitted into the central bank's fintech regulatory sandbox. Stakeholders' views wanted nearly 6 months after announcing the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe intention to explore the feasibility of launching a central bank digital currency (CBDC). The bank's governor, John Magodia, recently revealed that the central bank now has a roadmap for the envisaged digital currency. He said the bank's development of the roadmap is in line with the government decision on the CBDC, which was made in November 2021. Nevertheless, Magodia suggests in his second monetary policy statement of the year that the RBZ is now eager to get the views of stakeholders. He said the role of stakeholders in the CBDC journey is paramount, and in that regard, the bank has developed a public consultation paper on CBDC to be released soon. The consultation paper is aimed at fostering a broad and transparent public dialogue regarding the potential benefits and risks of CBDC. According to the RBZ, once all the document has been released, the public will have an opportunity to comment on the consultation paper. This must be done with 90 days after the release of the consultation paper, Magodia said. Besides the consultation paper, the RBZ will also carry out consumer perception surveys on CBDC. The findings from the two undertakings will enable the banks to engage in pilot programs to relate to CBDC. According to the RBZ, once the document has been released, the public will have an opportunity to comment on the consultation paper. This must be done with 90 days after the release of the consultation paper. So guys, that's enough. Thank you for watching. Before you close this video, don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe.